Hi guys, I'm back again. It has been quite some time since I last made my video. This time around, I want to talk about Tradingview. And if you're one of those people who wanted to use Tradingview for free and yet you are limited by the three spots, the three indicators, this video is for you. So if you actually take a look at the bottom, you can see something called Pine Editor. Click on it and you see that, hey, there's a place where you can write some scripts. I went to Google and I found this multiple moving average. And I was looking at this. You can go check this guy out, Fernando. And he has a bunch of script here. Okay, it looks really long. So I decided to go and check out TradingView's Pine script reference. And I found out that SMA is actually a built-in function as well. So if you just type SMA here, you can actually see the examples here. So this is the SMA built-in function, and well, you can write this as well the long way, but you can actually just use this. Right, let's just copy and paste. So let's just assume that I put it here. Cancel this off. Okay, so I decided to put 15 here, add to chart. Okay, so now I can see that there is this particular line here, but it's not an overlay. From Fernando's script, I found out that he actually did a few things here. So one of it is that he did this study title blah blah blah, and I saw this overlay equal to true. Let's just do the same thing as well. So alright. Okay, let's just cancel this off and let's see if this works. Awesome. You see the blue line here? If you can't see it, let me just, make it darker. So you see the blue line, that is 15 because I put here 15, but let's just see if it aligns with the one that I chose just now, which is 20. Let's just do that as well. Okay, add to chart. Alright, is it exactly the same? Let's just hide MA20. Alright, it is exactly the same. So it just overlays one on top of the other. Yep, you can see that right now. Okay, that's great. So now we know that this script works, right? And I wanted to have a few MAs just now. So let's just put on another MA here. I would like to have 50 and 200. So just put on 50 and another one here. Alright. Okay, let's just close this and add to chart. Ta-da! Yeah, you can see those lines here. Let's just put on a bit of color. So the first line, I would like it to be orange. Okay. Hide for now. It's really annoying. So one good thing is that we have all these lines up here right now, and the second thing I need to do is to check if the script that I've put in here is exactly the same with the built-in version of it, the built-in indicator that I've chosen from here. So I know that 20 works already. Let's try 50. Okay, let's see if 50 works. Great, 50 is exactly the same as the one that I have in here. And how about 200? Alright. Yep, it is exactly the same. So it lines up perfectly fine. And you know what happened here? I have 3 different moving averages in one script. So, previously I could have actually used up 3 spots, but I've merged them into one. You can actually do a few fancy stuff as well. So from here, I was just looking at it, you can actually put your colors here and your line width if you want to. Red, blue, and green. And the next one I would like to have would be the line width. Okay, let's just put 3. Okay, let's just cancel this off. You can save it, call it anything you want. I'm just going to call it Audrey script. You can actually add to chart right now and let's just see what happens. So let's see why this works. Okay. So what happens here is that I didn't close. If you take a look at this, there is this opening and there's this closing, and I actually didn't put it within it. See this? Here and here. So I should actually be moving this close out here. Okay. Always remember you have to open and close, open and close. Right, let's just give this a try again. Okay, can you see this? Right now my script is up here. Give it a try. Have fun with it. You can actually not just use SMA, you can actually use things like EMA as well. I know EMA is built in, so you can actually just use this straight. You can put a mix of simple moving averages and moving averages that are exponential. Exponential moving average. Alright, that's it.